The children of Bena Moshe, servants of Hashem, who dwell across the river Sevation, also known as Sabbation, and who pledge allegiance to the king of Yisolele, who sits upon a mighty throne and who rules over the 10 tribes, whose settlement is in the land of beyond the rivers of Kush. A letter sent by the elders and the rabbis of the Ashkenazi community. So you knew exactly where we were. They said the tribes were in Africa, beyond the rivers of Kush. Yeah, now, all right. You have seen this map. See, clearly we see 12 kingdoms in Africa, beyond the rivers of Kush. It's there where we saw the 12 kingdoms. We now see in Latin, Iuderum terra, the land of the Judeans. Wow, the land of the Judeans. 12 kingdoms in Africa.